this video I am going to tell you how to add chroma key in the Kinemaster. So first you need to import any background or any photo you want to add in the background. After that you need to click on layer, go to media, then you need to go to camera and import the video you want to edit. For example, this I want to remove the background of this video. For example, now you need to click on this video and scroll down, go to you need to search for chroma key and click on chroma key. After that you need to enable the chroma key and you can just adjust this and find the best out of it. You can just select the colors, okay, and then you can just play with these settings and best settings applied. After that you can just see here the background will be removed. This is how you can remove background from your videos in the Kinemaster.